CarbonPoker is pleased to offer its Omaha poker players a brand new software tool called the Carbon Omaha Odds Calculator. As the name implies, this excellent tool helps Omaha poker players track opponent profiles, rank their starting hands, and shows in several ways how likely it will be for you to hit your draws, which is a critical thing to understand in Omaha. Now, the software is laid out very similar to the CarbonPoker Odds Calculator, using the exact same menus and systems, HUD controls, and replayer functions. The features unique to playing Omaha and Omaha High-Low are displayed in the hand strength zone here, as well as the whole card and community card display here. The Carbon Omaha Odds Calculator will automatically deduce which type of Omaha game you are playing and display statistical data relevant to that game. When you get dealt a hand in Omaha, your 4 hole cards will always be displayed here at the start of each deal. After the flop, you'll see these yellow markers showing an H for high, and in an Omaha 8 game, an L for low as well, affixed to certain cards. These are visual clues, simply letting you know that the software is recognizing these specific cards as your best high and or low combinations. You'll also see a statistical rank of your hand here using the widely accepted Hutchison point system for Omaha, which you can read more about on the CarbonPoker website, as well as a weak, medium, or premium label affixed to your hand. Just like with the CarbonPoker Odds Calculator, these are pre-flop indicators only. If you are new to either Omaha game, you'll find these indicators really helpful and oftentimes showing the opposite of how strong you thought your hand was. Just below these indicators are these shaded bars which show your high outs on top and your low outs just below here for Omaha 8 games. You'll also see the difference in the bar charts change between games as well, where in Omaha games will have your high win bar here and your pot odds here, but switching to an Omaha High-Low game, an additional bar is needed to display your low win chances here. If you've played Omaha for any amount of time, you'll know that it is really a drawing game, much more so than in Texas Hold'em, so you'll be using this area a lot more comparing yours or your opponent's draws and pot odds for virtually every hand. And don't forget, there is a more detailed graphical display of odds and draws behind the profile grid here, just by clicking the Odds tab. Speaking of the profile grid, because most of the popular Omaha games are limit or pot limit, you will also find more players are willing to get involved in hands. As a result, when using the profiling data, a higher VPIP is to be expected. Therefore, a higher reliance on post-flop action is a common adjustment for Omaha games, and the Carbon Omaha Odds Calculator makes that easy to adapt to using the profile grid for monitoring other indicators such as aggression factor and when to show down winning percentage, for example. Just like with the CarbonPoker Odds Calculator, this grid is entirely customizable and has a pop-out feature for closer looks at your opponent's statistics. One more thing. If you like multi-tabling Omaha games, even if you play Omaha and Omaha High-Low games simultaneously, the Carbon Omaha Odds Calculator will automatically attach and track everything at all your active tables so you can make better decisions over and over again. If you need to learn more about customizing or using the software, be sure to check out the CarbonPoker Odds Calculator page here, as both programs function on identical layouts and menus.